Guess what time it is? It's time for a brand new box. Brand new box. Okay, you guys, so welcome back to Saving Mamasita, the home of unboxings, monthly subscription boxes unboxings, quarterly subscription unboxings. We do all kinds of unboxings, hauls, product reviews, and that kind of thing right here on the channel. If you enjoy that kind of thing and you love to have a little bit of fun, entertainment along the way, you came to the right place. We are going to unbox a brand new box to my channel, and it is going to feature my sidekick, Mr. Prince Miguel. This is a brand new box called Barkbox. I am sure you've heard of this box before. I decided to finally go with it. I know that there are other boxes out there that I have tried and that I do enjoy, but I wanted to give this one a try to see and compare and to kind of see if the quality is okay for a rough kind of pup like my Prince Miguel and baby Rico. So we're gonna go ahead and open Barkbox. This is gonna be so much fun, you guys. Are you ready? Let's do it. He knows it's for him. He probably smells something good in there, would be my guess. You look, what's in there, huh? What's in there? Okay, we gotta undo this so we can see. Okay, so opening up Barkbox. Woo! What is really fun about Barkbox and what kind of interested me most about it was the fact that it does have a monthly theme. And there were a couple different options that we could have chose for a theme, but I just indicated I wanted them to surprise me. So this one is called, sit down, Prince, Peace and Fluff. Hop in your VW Beagle and head towards Woodstock because Bark's going back to the squeakadelic 60s for some peace and fluff. We're calling all movers and tail shakers, oh my goodness, and tail shakers to make rough, not war. And when we play fetch, we throw far out, man. So come on and give Squeaks a chance. Population 1969. Prince already ran off with a toy. Okay, so inside the box, oh my goodness, look at this. It's a free bird. And on the tag, it says it's for medium to large dogs. Definitely Prince, he's a big boy. And it has a squeaker too. Oh, here he comes. Let's take the tag off first, buddy. And it has the fun little cracklies in it too. You like that? You like that? Yeah. It's a bird. It's a bird. Free bird, man. So I missed this part. It says how to Barkbox. When you open your Barkbox or when your dog rips it open with devious glee, you'll always find at least 2 mind-blowing toys designed in-house with unique materials like spiky ball cores, plush for every play style, and dozens of innovative squeakers. You'll also receive 2 full bags of all-natural treats, always sourced and made in the USA or Canada, and never any wheat, corn, or soy. Yum. A scrumptious all-natural chew chosen from the highest quality partners. In a word, nawesome. Party on pups. There's a new theme every box equals a surprise party every dang month. Whether you're ripping through outer space or wrestling with dinosaurs, there's always a new adventure to sink your teeth into. From now on, your dog is going to be ridiculously excited every time a package shows up. Your dog plus your mailman equals the start of a beautiful friendship.
Later.
Open it up, it says, welcome to the Barkbox pack. Aw, isn't that cute? And then on the back, it also says, each box should arrive around the 16th to the 22nd of the month. You'll receive an email when it ships. If your dog doesn't absolutely love something, we'll replace it for free, no questions asked. That's customer service right there. It looks like the treats here, this one is called Baa Baa Jerky Bites. This is a lamb recipe, so lots of lamb. Have you heard this meaty treat contains over 60% farm-raised lamb? Chewy jerky, easy to tear and share, break off the right size bite for your bark. No grains added, fillers not invited. Keep your pup's tummy smiling with no added wheat, soy, or corn. So awesome! That's a big bag of treats there, and we'll try those in just a little bit. Next bag of treats, we have Clucky Yummies. This is a chicken recipe. Great dogs get great treats. This is, we only send the good stuff. It says, real dog people happy to help. Yeah, he wants to shake and he wants a treat already, don't you, buddy? Go get that other toy. Go get the other toy for Mama so I can show everybody. This is the other toy he got. This is a Peace and Fluff van. Super cute. I'm gonna rip the tag off here. But look at that. Isn't that adorable? It's got a squeaker in it, and it's got the crunchy. Ooh, look at that. That is super adorable. And then we also got a duck stick. This says no soy, corn, or wheat. Made in the USA. It's made with real duck. So very high protein, it says on there. On the feeding guidelines, you feed to your dog as a treat or snack in limited quantities. Always monitor your dog when feeding. Not intended as a meal substitute, no matter what your dog says. So don't feed it all to them in one sitting. It's just a treat.
A few moments later.
See all the toys from Peace and Fluff collection. So we've got the bus, the Woofswaggin Bus, and we got the free bird. So those are the two items that we've received in our box. Super cute, right? I love that. I love the theme. It makes it so fun. Because we are first-time subscribers for this particular box, we had an offer of a free Yeti bowl. So we did go ahead and take advantage of that. So we got the Yeti Boomer 4-dog bowl. And it's for the super chewer, which as you can see, he's already trying to open it up. He's so curious. Are you curious? Okay, so it says built for the wild. I do really like the Yeti products. We have a lot of Yeti mugs and things like that. So when I saw this as an offer, I'm like, that is legit. That is legit. So here is a brand new bowl, Yeti bowl, for Mr. Prince. And it says Bark Yeti on it. Super cool. That concludes the unboxing of our very first Barkbox. How fun was that? I think Prince loves these toys more than anything. So much fun. So we got the bus, we got the free bird, we got the Yeti bowl as our free gift, and we also received these treats here, the Baa Baa Jerky Bites, the Clucky Yummies, and the duck stick. So all three of those, the two toys and the bowl, for roughly around $25, which to me seems fair enough. So let's go ahead, you guys, and rate that box. Are you ready for the very first Barkbox rating? I am. Let's go ahead and rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Woo! Okay, guys, so when we rate the box, we rate on a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being, don't go there. And 10 being, yes, queen, you need to buy this box. We also rate based on a few different factors. We rate based on the presentation of the box. We rate based on the variety of the items in the box, as well as the packaging, the description of the items, the price point of the items. All of those different things factor into how we give the full-on rating for the boxes. So let's go ahead and give Barkbox our very first rating. First of all, I have to say, I love the packaging. It's so much fun. I love the theme idea. I love the fact that you know Every month, you're going to get at least 2 bags of treats and you're gonna get 2 toys. You're gonna get that regardless. And then if your dog doesn't like any of the items, you can send it back with no questions asked. I love that. That is customer service at its finest, for sure. All right, you guys, so let's hit that drum roll, please. It's time to give Barkbox their very first rating. Let's do it. Barkbox gets their very first rating. Let's go ahead. Seven. Awesome job, Barkbox. I loved it. It was so much fun to unbox. Prince loves the toys. He's playing with the bus right now. Let's try one of these treats and see what he thinks. Which one do you want to try, buddy? Should we try the Baa Baa Jerky Bites? All right, let's try these. If I can open it, we'll have one. Sit down. Sit down. Can you sit, buddy? Good boy. These actually smell kind of good. They smell good? Okay, can you shake? Oh, good boy. So good. You're so good, aren't you? Yes. Yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this unboxing as much as we did. There'll be more Barkboxes to come, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, notification bell, to be notified when we have brand new unboxings coming your way. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Ready to try the cluckies? Cluck, 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 cluck. Cluck, 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 cluck. Cluck, 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 cluck. Come kiss. Kiss mama. Hey Prince, did you like the box? Did you like this first Barkbox? Do you like it? Do you like the first Barkbox? Give me a high five if you like it. All right.